Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, are you making use of the Quick Create feature? Don't know what it is? Let me show you. Let's go to the admin section in the back of your website. And you may have noticed, or you may not, but you have a Quick Create button just up here. Now, if you open it up just by clicking on it, you can see that you can quick create some items just within here. This is a really powerful tool because you now have AI newsletters. You can generate newsletters within a matter of a few seconds with images all set out nicely, targeting your customers, and you can do that. And that's included with all Brilliant Directories websites. Whether you've got any add-ons or you haven't, it comes as default, as standard. Along with a create a post, again, you can create blog posts, articles, classified ads, coupons, whatever you want. You can use a create post tool. Again, uses AI to instantly generate posts. And you can also now use a create a web page builder, so you can build out your web pages. This is the newest release out of all of them. So you can name the page that you want to build, tell it that you want to build a basic web page, give it a URL, and then you can simply click on AI generate, and you put some prompts into the system. You'll be able to then create a custom static web page. So you can create a basic web page. You can create web pages for your member search results, which is really important from an SEO point of view. And you can also create post search result pages as well. So all the features are there in your Quick Create section. You can add members, you can build invoices, and you can also create coupon codes as well. So these are some fantastic features that have been launched from Brilliant Directories, but I do find that a lot of people are missing that button just up here. It's just under the Quick Create section. So I would get in there, play about with the features, because these are really powerful tools that are going to boost your Brilliant Directory website.